Hello guys, so today we will be solving problem 1894. Find the student that will replace the chalk. So here in this question there is an student and the teacher. So teacher is giving one problem to each of the student, and to solve that problem student need some number of chalk, and that is given by an array where ith student need the chalk of I, that numbers of chalk to solve that problem. Like in example 1, there is 3 student, and first student need 5 chalk to solve the problem, second student need 1 chalk to solve the problem, and third student need the again 5 chalk to solve the problem. And here also k is given, which is total number of chalk available. In this case it is 22. So here we need to say, we need to tell uh, at which student we will need the more chalk. And once teacher go from student, teacher goes like, first it will give the problem to student 1, then 2, and then student 3, and once this end it again start from student number 1. So you need to tell in the answer the index of the student where our chalk will end, or we will need more chalk. So we will see this example. So here in this example, student 1 need the 5 chalk, student 2 need the 1 chalk, and student 3 need the 5 chalk, and total number of chalk is 22. So suppose these are the student 5 1 5. So teacher will come and it will give first problem to this student number 1 2 3. So total number of chalk initially was 22. Now it will become 22 minus 5, which is 17. Then this 17 number of chalk now it is available, and teacher will give the next problem to student number 2. So it takes 1 chalk to solve the problem for student 2. So now available chalk is 16. So now teacher will give the problem to student number 3. So student number 3 consume the 5 chalk. So current, then the remaining chalk will be 11. So again teacher will start from 1. So now again teacher will give the problem to student number 1. It will again take the 5 chalk to solve the problem. So 11 minus 5 is 6. Then again it will give the problem to student 2. So it will take 1 chalk to solve the problem, so 5. And then again it will give the problem to student number 3, which will take 5 chalk. So now remaining chalk is 0. Then again student 3 has solved the problem. So again teacher will go to student 1 and give the problem to student 1. So it needed 5 chalk to solve the problem, but currently available chalk is 0. So at this index, at student number 1, we will need the more chalk. So the output will be that is student number 1. So the index of student number 1 is 0. So output is 0 in this case. So to solve this problem, what we will do is, as you can see here, we are cycling again and again in the student array. So to optimize this approach, what we can do, as we know, like if k is 22, we cycle it twice. If k is suppose 1000, then we will go like, we will give first problem to student 1, then 2, then 3. In total it will take 5 plus 5 is 10, and plus 1 11 chalk to circle once uh, from the by the all the student. Then again we will circle from 1 to 3. Again it will take 11 chalk. So what we can do, firstly we will calculate how many chalk we will need to traverse once through all the student. So that is nothing but sum of all the element in the array. So in this case we can say total sum equal to 5 plus 1 plus 5, which is 11. And what we can do, as we already know that we can just minus this total sum from the k until it is until it is like positive. Once it will start getting negative, we will stop there. So to do it directly, we can just take the modulus. So we can do something like this. So in this case k will become 0, and now we have cycle it till the last student. So now again we have to go to student, start from student 0, but in this case k has become 0, so 0 is the answer. K is nothing but remaining chalk. So we will see from the by coding how we will do it. So here first we will calculate the total sum of all the chalk needed by the student. So in this case it will sum of chalk, we can say. Then we will modulo it k by the total sum. Then we will at last time we will cycle it through the student and find out where chalk is getting end. If k is greater than chalk of I, then k minus equal to chalk of I, else return I greater than equal to. Here we will return just 0 just to be on safe side. Ideally we will never come here. It is accepted. We will submit this solution. So this got submitted successfully. So that's is all. We will meet again tomorrow to solve the daily problem. Thank you.